Hi merfolk, I received an awesome package in the mail today. It's from Magic Tail Mermaids. This is a German mermaid tail company and they were so nice to express ship my tail so I would have it in time for the convention that I'm organizing together with the rest of mermaids this coming weekend. And they sent it express so I would have it on time. So now it's time to unbox it together with all of you. I do want to say a few words about the Magic Tail Mermaid Company because I feel like they deserve a lot of more love than that they're given right now. They're one of the few fabric tail companies that are located in Europe. They have a very pretty line of fabric tails. It's the lycra fabric, so the swimwear fabric, not the scuba knit fabric. And you also have the option to personalize your tail and to design something yourself, which is also very, very awesome. So I just want to say go check them out. I really like them. I also really love the communication. Everything went really smooth. There was a small hiccup, which was when the fabric got delivered. The place that they get their fabric printed made a mistake, and then my fabric wasn't included, which wasn't very nice, but those are things that happen and it wasn't their fault. And for me, they made it like more than right to express ship my package once that the right fabric arrived. They also gave me several options to change the design if I wanted to be sure that it was on time, but I really wanted this tail. So I decided to wait, and maybe it would even be after the convention, and they proposed themselves to express ship it so it would be on time, which is very, very nice. I don't know if you can see my cat, but my cat is liking the cardboard, of course. So, but this is the tail. It's like a very flat packaging. And I'm also very curious to see, because they also have like a tail shaper, they call it. It's like an insert, maybe a little bit similar than the vinyl that Merfolk uses, but it's a lot thinner. I've never used it, so I'm very, very curious to swim with that and to see how it will go. Okay. Also, while you're waiting for me to open the package, maybe you can go to their website and then you can have a look at their tails, and then you can make a guess of which tail you think that I ordered, and then put it in the comments. I would love that. I was doubting between two different designs very, very much, but I'm happy that I chose the one that I have right now, because it's a little bit different than the things that I usually have. Also for the monofins, they use the Mahina monofins for their tails. Some lines, they also have their own monofin that you can buy, but most of them, especially like the Pro line, as they call it, uses the Mahina monofin. And I have one, I have it in black. I know a lot of people don't really like the black Mahina monofin, because when it scrapes over the bottom of the, here it's open, swimming pool, it can get like some dull spots. It's true, it happens, but I decided that I prefer the black one, because sometimes when you swim in a fabric tail, the fabric opens up a little bit, and then I would prefer that you see something black instead of the orange color or the aquamarine blue color. So that's why I chose for the black option. Okay, we're almost there. Did you already put in the comments which tail you think I got? Okay, almost. Whee! So happy. Come on. Okay. Looking good. Oh, that's awesome. So I got a bag from them, and then there's also the details of everything that I ordered in here. So I'm gonna get rid of the cardboard. My cat is also like, no, I don't like the cardboard anymore. My cat doesn't like noises at all. Okay, so it's a bag from Magic Tail. It's a very big bag, so I think you would easily fit your Mahina monofin in here. So that's awesome. And on the label here it says Magic Tail's gift for you, wonderful being. And it's both in German and in English, which I really like. Okay, cool. And on here you can also see some of their designs. It's the same on both sides. It's fun. Okay, so first I will show you the insert. This is, they call it the fin shaper. And I really like the material. See, it's like fused together. It's a little bit more flippity floppity than the fin folk. And then you put your Mahina in here. And even like in here it has like the shape of your fin, so it's really sturdy in here. Okay. This is awesome already. Cool. And then the tail. It's very vibrant. So, last chance to put in the comments which tail you think I got. Okay, let's see what's in here. It's the instructions for how to use the fin shaper. It's again both in German and in English. And also care instructions for your tail, which is really nice. Awesome! And let's see. Okay. They also added a few business cards. And then the tail. Ooh, it's so vibrant. It has a lot of fins. See how pretty. I also really wanted all of the fins. Yeah. I always find it like very hard to judge lycra fabric on like, will it fit nice or not? But I think it will be snug, but it will fit nicely. But so this is the tail. It is the jungle tail from their line. Let's see how big the fluke is. It's the same print on the back and the front, but it has like a big dorsal fin. And inside of the dorsal fin, there is like a scuba knit fabric. So it is a little bit sturdy, but also still floppy. Okay, I'm gonna try and put the fin shaper in here so you can see the fin in full action.
But the Mahina isn't in here just yet, so it will be like not really real action.
I'm also wondering if I buy like a second tail which uses the same fin shaper, if I can choose to buy it without. Because that would be awesome. Because otherwise, if you have a lot of these tails, you have like 100 fin shapers, which you don't need. One is enough. This will give an idea of like how big it is. It's huge. I always say that I like big flukes, so I always say like it needs to be bigger than my butt. And it is bigger, so I'm happy. It's really pretty, and the colors are very vibrant. There is still some green in it, which is like my signature color for me. But I do like that it's not only green. I also really like their parrot design, which is a tropical parrot, which is mostly green, and some copper brown, which is very pretty. So it also still has like a little tag on it to show the tail that you bought, and then on the back side it shows the options, because the fins are optional. You can choose without, or only like the hip fins, or only the dorsal fin, or only these fins, or another combination. So you can choose it, which I really like, because it also because that way you can also determine your budget yourself like a little bit. So I'm really happy, and I can't wait to swim in it this weekend. Yeah, and that's it for this video. So merfolk, I hope you've really liked this very spontaneous small unboxing video, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye!